Hi everybody, it's Christina Daves with this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. Today I want to talk about when the best time to post on Twitter is. Social media is a big part of the whole media picture, so I want to make sure that when you are posting on social media, you're doing it at the ideal times, getting the most bang for your time buck. So Sprout Social did a great study. I've pulled out Facebook and Instagram and now Twitter, and you can go back and look at Facebook and Instagram. This is 2019. We'll update it again in coming years. But the best time to post on Twitter are Tuesdays and Wednesdays. It's interesting that midweek is across the board for social media platforms. Wednesday at 9 a.m. is the best time to post. Monday through Friday, anytime from 8 to 4 is your ideal. They call that your safe window of time to post. And interestingly, Saturday is not a good day for Twitter, which I would be surprised because I would think Saturday you actually have time to sit and scroll and look through, but according to their study, no. So midweek, again, Tuesdays and Wednesdays. So make sure that you're really taking advantage of that. Of course, on Twitter, you need to be posting a lot. We've talked about automation and, because Twitter is such a fast scroll, you want to be in front of your people all the time. But this is really interesting for when the ideal times to post are. So that is this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't joined the challenge yet, please do. It's a no-cost PR challenge. It's at yourprchallenge.com. It's 10 days. About 10 minutes a day, and we will take you through every step of branding, becoming an influencer, to getting in the media. It's really fun. We have a great group, and we've had amazing success just from people who've taken those 10 minutes a day. So I can't wait to see you in our challenge, and then I can't wait to see you in the media.